My name is Hank. I'm going to talk today about blockchain piracy. 3 weeks ago, a little over 3 weeks ago, to be fair, I said, can I make a fully on chain game by the end of the residency? It was a big ask, and I was unsure. Um, as a little bit of background, I have over a year of experience building on chain games. And so I was like, all right, like I have some experience. I've been hearing so much about this thing called mud. Everybody here is now joined me in being mud pilled. And so I was a little bit unsure before starting my project because I saw stuff like this. Essentially, mud is going to change your life for the better. And I was like, all right, let's see if this is true. Let's see if I can crank out a game in a really short amount of time using this framework. And the last reason was because I had what I thought was a really good idea. I wanted to make an on chain naval battle game, and I was going to call it Dark Seas. Sorry, this song just slaps. All right, let's check it out. So, in Dark Seas, can everyone see that? Yeah. You control. You are the captain of a fleet of ships in the open sea, fighting against other ships um, as well. And so you can see right now, my ships. I'm the White Fleet is locked into a deadly battle against Sohan's ships. This is live on chain. And so how it works is the game's divided into two phases. The first phase is called the action phase. It's going to start in 7 seconds. And so in 7 seconds, I'll show you that. Yeah. Oh, yeah. In the action phase, each ship has 2 actions per turn, and it can do a range of different things. It can shoot at ships, it can raise its sails to go faster, it can lower its sails to go slower. And if it's damaged in any way, then you can spend an action to repair it. And so the whole idea behind this game is trying to come up with something that could be potentially feasible on chain, because how it works is you choose your action for each ship, but then you submit all those actions at one time, and you can only do it once per phase. So this means a lot of the games that we've been stress testing are doing a lot of actions per second. And I wanted to see if we could slow that down and get it down to maybe 1 action per 30 seconds or 1 action per minute, while still retaining that feeling of constantly having something going on, something to manage, and something to deal with. Um, Additionally, a little bit of fun technical adventures that I had making this game. Um, it uses vectors for movement, and so instead of just being like Manhattan moving across the map, um, it calculates a, it calculates a vector based on a magnitude and a direction that you want to go. And so I had a lot of fun trying to hack that together just using pure solidity. And so I think that what I'm really excited about for this game is it's a very simple base layer, but there's a lot of interesting potential game modes that could come out of this. I've been thinking about doing some kind of bounty system where each ship has a bounty on its head, and the more ships that you sink, the more uh, gold you acquire throughout the round. Um, so yeah, that's the demo. Uh, Thanks for helping me out, Sohan. Hold on. That was the demo. And here's the rest of the presentation. So my conclusion after this experience of building fast and building quick was that I feel like we're in the kind of the flash games era of on-chain gaming. We have a lot of really small teams. There's not a particularly clear path to profitability at the moment, and we're all really interested in exploring the potential new novel effects that blockchain technology can have on both technical experience and social interaction. And I think that we're going to iterate upon these concepts the quickest by making these kind of small social experimenty kind of games. A lot of the games that we've already seen kind of have this feel, and that's really going to allow us to really find like the magic that we have yet to unlock that exists somewhere in the blockchain protocol. So what's next for Dark Seas? Um, I'm linking up with Small Brain Games, which you're going to hear from next. They're a on-chain game publisher that was started this fall, actually, at this residency, to release the game after, of course, iteration, playtesting, and really trying to refine the quality of the game. And what's next for me is I want to continue building these fun and impactful experiences through autonomous worlds and iterating quickly and really trying to find the gold nuggets that I am confident exist in the blockchain technology. So please let me know if you need help building your world, and let's team up and build some cool stuff. Thank you.